What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can build cloud generator using geometry nodes in Blender. It's gonna be very simple. So for the beginners, click right here and change this window to geometry node editor. Now you can search those nodes by Shift A. I'm gonna give you all the nodes. So first, you're gonna need points to volume. And this just goes to the group output. On the density I got 1, of course you can play around. And on the second value I got 120. Next, you're gonna need distribute points on faces. This just goes from points to points right here to the points to volume. I got density 1, you can play around of course, yes, on the values. Next, you're gonna need fill curve. And this just goes to the mesh to the distribute points on faces. Now, you're gonna need curve to mesh right here. And this just goes to the geometry proximity or whatever it's called. You can see the nodes. And this change of course to the edge goes to the radius right here, yes, on this points to volume. So this is this tree. And the last thing you're gonna need set position right here. So you just connected the set position to the fill curve and curve to mesh. And you're gonna need a math node and change this to multiply. And right here you need position. So position goes to the math node, change this to multiply, and I can play around right here on the position on my clouds, yes, on the scale, right here on different direction on the math node, yes. Position goes to the math node to multiply. This just goes to the set position right here. And of course group input goes to the geometry right here. So, this is not very complicated, couple of nodes. And of course, if you want to have the value right here, you got this group input and just connect this right here to this vector. And I have all the points right here, yes, to play around. And you can connect more, yes, density value if you want to have this connected right here. So once again, I'm gonna give you the nodes very quickly. So, points to volume goes to the geometry, distribute points on faces, this just goes to the points to volume, and fill curve goes to the distribute points on faces, to the mesh. And curve to mesh goes to the geometry proximity or whatever, changes to edge, and this just goes to the radius to points to volume. Okay? Simple stuff, guys. Now, set position, connect this to the fill curve and curve to mesh. And multiply math node goes to the position right here, and set position goes to the math node to the multiply to the spheres vector. And on those vectors I can play around, like I said, yes, on this stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching guys. This is not very complicated, okay? By the way, I don't connect this, that's why I don't have the value. Now it's gonna work. Yes, thank you. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you like this content. Bye guys.